Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the continuation of our how to use MT5 series. So on the last video I showed you guys how to draw trend lines, how to draw horizontal lines, and how to draw vertical lines on your charts. So we can always delete these things on our chart if you want to delete them. How do you delete these things on your chart? If you want to delete them, you just have to right click, you come to object list, you click on object list and you select these things and you just click delete. So everything that you have drawn on your chart will just be deleted automatically, and you can still choose to delete all. That's if you want to. Now let's go to the next thing. How do you use indicators on MT5? Now if you want to add indicators on MT5, what do you do? Now there's one way you can use to add indicators on your MT5 and use that for your analysis. So this is how you do it. Come to this particular area. When it comes to insert, you come to indicators, and here you choose the indicator that you want to use. Now you can see we have default indicators on MT5. You can see if you want advanced indicators, you can always add them on this particular chart. The advanced indicators, which you can always add them on MQL, that's on their platform, which I will discuss in a much different video. But for now, let's just focus on a very simple approach. Okay, so these are the default indicators that are here. You will see triple, exponential moving average. These are some easy strategies which you can always find on YouTube, and you can see volumes, you can see all of these things. So they are the main indicators here are what we have: trend indicators, we have oscillators, we have volumes, we have Ben Williams, and you can always customize your own indicator. So let's focus on trend indicators. You know, this is where we have all these things like moving averages, Ichimoku cloud, Bollinger bands, all these things like that. You can always add them there. So let's just use Bollinger bands for this particular video. Let me use Bollinger bands. You can see add Bollinger bands on your chart. The default will be 20, and you can always see the deviation is 2, and you can always arrange the levels and do all of these things, if you know what I mean. You just click OK, and that is it. Bollinger bands is already on your chart. Now what's the next thing to do right now? So if you want to add any other indicator, you come to the same place, you click insert, you come to indicators, you come to trend. You can still decide to add moving averages, which I will just choose for this particular video. I'll choose 50 moving average. I'll just choose 50. Sorry, not 60, 50. Okay, I'll choose the EMA. So you can come to this area. This is a simple moving average. You have the exponential, so I'll choose the exponential moving average and I'll press close. So you can see the red line is a moving average line. Okay, you can still decide to add other indicators. Let me just come to insert indicators, and you can now choose other indicators like oscillators. That's where we have MACD, RSI, RVI, stochastics. What I mostly use there is that's the MACD, which is one here, and the RSI and the stochastics, but I've mostly used the RSI, so I'll just go with the RSI normal period 14, and I'll just go straight with it. So you can see that's the RSI. So this particular thing here, which is the volume, I want to take it out. I'll just come to this area, properties, and I'll just take out the volume because I don't want to see it over there. That's it. This one here, tick volume, you can see here. So it will just go. So you can always like arrange the size depending on you. So you can know the RSI and how the RSI work. I'll teach you guys on a different video how to use the RSI on your charts and how to develop a strategy using the RSI. So we have the RSI. You can still decide to add the MACD. Come to indicators, which are oscillators. You come to MACD. Let me just add the stochastic instead of MACD. You can see here. So we have two of these indicators. So you can use these three things and have a strategy on it. You can see just these three things you can use to have a strategy and trade Forex. So people have different strategies on how to trade Forex. There are some people depend on indicators. Me, I'm a price action trader. I don't depend on indicators, but I still use them to confirm what I'm doing, to have extra confluences on whatever I'm doing in the Forex market, if you know what I mean. So this is how you just add indicators on your chart. So depending on what you've learned from your mentor or from your course online or from wherever you're learning trading, if you want to add indicators on your chart, this is how you go and add indicators. Now if you want to delete these indicators, what do? You just right click, you come to indicators list, you come over here, you choose and you delete them. So you can click on this one, you just click delete, it's gone. Click delete, it's gone. Click delete, it's gone. Click delete, it's gone. So that's how you can delete it. And how do you want to add it? You just come here to click and you come to indicators and you start adding whatever you want to add on your chart. So that's how you add indicators on your Forex charts, and it's going to help you to build up a very good strategy in trading, if you know what I mean. So you can see that different indicators, but I'll advise you that if you're a beginner, don't add too many indicators on your chart because it will confuse you in trading. You should have a maximum of 2 or 3 indicators on your chart, and it should not be cloudy like what I did previously. It should not be cloudy on your chart. Your chart should be clean and clear, and you should be able to always fish out and point out where you're going to trade. Don't forget one thing about indicators. There are 2 things you have to learn about indicators. There are leading indicators and there are lagging indicators. So when it comes to moving averages, they are lagging indicators. It's because they are actually showing you what is going to happen after it has happened. Okay, so if you're trading with lagging indicators like moving averages and the rest, you want to do that on the higher time frame perspective, not on the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minutes time frame. It may confuse you and you may lose money. But if you're trading with all these leading indicators, which are fast moving in indicators like MACD, RSI, all those things like that, they may help you. That's if you're trading in a smaller time frame. But don't forget, we don't depend on indicators. We only use indicators to give us a clue on the market, because the market will always move in its own direction, and sometimes these indicators are misleading. But however, this is how you can do to add indicators on your chart. So with that said, what do you think about this particular video? Drop it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and also join our Telegram group and use our recommended broker to trade Forex. Thanks for watching. Bye.